Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the currency of the GOAT application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on settings in the upper left corner. Then you should scroll down till you find this currency section and tap on it. As you can see, the default option is US dollar. So here you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in your currency. Or you can also use this list. So as you scroll down, you can see all of the available results or options, and if you would like to change it, just tap on the relevant one, and here you can see that it has been changed automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.